Folks, we have 15 minutes to fill. This is great. This is your chance. So please come up front and tell us about your project.
Wie ist dein Name und was ist das Thema?
Till.
Und Thema?
TBF.
Okay. Windows is looking for the key. Yes.
Okay.
I think so.
Ja, aber so gleich muss man mal gucken.
Das, die Kontakte nach unten, ne?
Ja, Kontakt nach oben normalerweise.
Okay. My mistake. I don't blame it on Windows. Just yeah, okay. Microsoft should implement the waiting music like the BCC music. So we dim 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 dim. The PDF?
Ja.
So Till, the stage is yours.
Okay, I'm giving a little talk about a project of mine, which is a compiler which compiles not Brainfuck, but compiles another language to Brainfuck. So I'm just talking a bit about Brainfuck. It's an esoteric programming language. It has only a few operations. It's based on a tape of registers. You can increment and decrement a register. You have loops, which are very simple. And you can move the tape to the left or the right to switch the register. And of course you need input-output to make it a full programming language. So this is all you can do in Brainfuck. So of course there needs to be a Hello World program. Other people probably coded their favorite text editors in Brainfuck as well, but I didn't find those online. Maybe you can Google them and find some text editors in Brainfuck. But you see, it's not really readable. So yeah, it's too complicated for widespread commercial use. This is the main drawback of Brainfuck. And of course it has bad readability and bad debugging capabilities. I know there's a Brainfuck debugger, but it's not widely used, so we probably need some more for that. Okay, so I coded language which is called TBF. It stands for to Brainfuck because it's compiled to Brainfuck. And it's meant to introduce all the nice things we have in a widespread commercial language, so we can use Brainfuck in a commercial environment. It has variables, loops, which are more improved. I'm planning to implement an if then else statement as well, but it's not yet implemented because I might have to change the machine model a little bit. Not the Brainfuck machine model, but the machine I implemented on Brainfuck. And it has functions which are not fully working yet, but which are working at least a bit. And another thing it's missing here, it actually has pointers, so you can all have your favorite C pointer arithmetics in that language too. So it's actually slightly less obfuscated than Brainfuck, not much, but a bit. And it's usually released annually on April the 1st, so next April 1st's release is probably coming up. Yeah, it's written in OCaml, which is a functional language produced by the people at INRIA, and it's using their Lexer and parser generator, which is called OCaml YAC. I'm working on that. Yeah, it's hosted on OCaml Forge. And it has some weird implementation techniques which are used deliberately. Like, I know it's a bad idea to parse a whole language, a whole grammar into a big lambda expression which then finds all the identifier, but it's fun to do, so that's what I did with the parser generator. It's really slow though, but it's fun. Yeah, so this is a small example. You can declare a variable which already gets the content, move the tape to the variable, and then print. So this is a small hello world in TBF. And this is what comes out of the compiler. You see, it's only slightly more complicated than the hello world I gave you before, which is mainly because it has to write the complete hello world on the tape. And then yeah, so this is what comes out of the compiler. You can probably do a lot of optimization, which is not done yet, which is one of the main drawbacks. So what we need to do is add more capabilities, like the if then else statement, optimize the generated code, and maybe introduce some more weird programming methods, like monads would be nice, some combinators, oh, there's something missing, oh, well, And so if you want to join, you can join the project on OCamlForge. It's hosted there. Or you can just drop me a line. So, happy brainfuck.
Okay, you can just leave it there. Okay, I'm kind of feel of brain fuck now. So, we still have some minutes left, so if there's another speaker willing to give a short presentation. Yeah. Till, please remember to add the dates and the information. Yeah. Just, it's not my computer, so just plug it.
Well, it's my USB stick.
Okay. I think we have to click here, and then you have to click there, and then it marks this, and then you can wait until the sign, and now you can. Okay. Yes, thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Another brain fucker or what?
I start on this, but I'm not ready for work.
Yeah, we try. So. So, what's your name?
My name is David. I'm from Ireland, and the talk that I would like to talk about is municipal Wi-Fi in Ireland, or more specifically...
Slower. Keep.
And put this micro, take the micro, put it to the mouth.
No.
Well, all the same. Let me just give you the reminder. So we like to get your feedback. Please send a mail to 25c3@lightningtalks.de, or just put it on the RSA channel, or use the Pentabuff system to give a few clicks there and some comments. That would be nice. And just a reminder, you just take a microphone, you step on stage, you say something. You don't need slides, not whatever. It's being recorded, and some people will help out on IRC to put some links on Google and do all this stuff. So don't be afraid. Just take the mic. It's as easy as this. Put it to your mouth, speak aloud,
I have a key.
tell your name,
You speak
the website, and that's it. Okay?
Okay.
Is it Windows again?
No, unfortunately not.
Oh, okay.
Unfortunately, I can't get dual screen mode working in Debian.
Please, the microphone onto
Microphone
your
here?
chin.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. So what I want to talk about today is Ireland, my home country. The main ISP in Ireland, Eircom, released a broadband package including wireless to customers, and they decided it would be a very good idea to make the SSIDs have a identifiable serial number, and from this you can reverse engineer very easily the WEP key. So, as a result, in Ireland, the default ISP, with their default offering, have an easily reverse engineerable WEP key for all of their home routers. In a typical estate, you will pick up maybe 10 to 15 of these, and there have been applications written for the iPhone, for PCs, which will crack these automatically and associate with them, and so effectively we have municipal Wi-Fi in Ireland as a result. So that's pretty much it. If you Google online for Eircom, EIRCOM, and SSID, you'll see several pages. And what I was just trying to do is give a quick run through of some of the sources available. So one example that I had was a web tool whereby you can enter an SSID and give back a serial number, and on this there have already been 84,000 unique generations. There are tools available for smartphones, there are Java applications, there are Python scripts, there are Perl scripts. It's quite a simple way to reverse it. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. Congratulations for being the fastest lightning talker. 1 minute 43 seconds. I never saw that, so Guinness Book will call you. So let's sum up this last session of the lightning talks.
Well, is there anyone? Is there anyone else? Come on, get a stage. 3 minutes left.
Okay. So, I just put on a nice picture, then these windows blue. I'm fed with it. So, this is the wiki page. So if you're still, there's still some information missing from the speakers. So if you know some of the speakers, or if you're the speaker yourself, then please add it. We need the complete information, website, contact info. Otherwise, this lightning talk is not complete. And really like your feedback, so just click on the schedule, find the lightning talks, and there's a possibility to give your feedback down here. And okay, I really like this. I added the security stuff yesterday, and he didn't.
There should be a script for that.
Yeah. So, the problem is that lightning talks contain several speakers, so we don't know how to deal with with some of the questions, but we would we take it for the whole show. We will see that there's some lightning talks at other events like Frostcon. So, if you want to see lightning talks at other events, contact us. Sven and I will be happy to provide you with some of our knowledge. Okay. We still have some minutes left, so we're generous today. Thank you. Should I take the time, or?
No, come on.
I'm just wondering about HHO technology in USA. They have a fair in I don't know, Florida or something in February. I would ask some people from USA if they live there nearby, if they could tell me something about it. Can you open hhogames.com?
Yes, but it doesn't work. If you want to see it,
Yeah. HHO Games.com.
Okay.
This is a university, on a university campus, and it is very controversially talked about, and so I don't have the money to fly there, but I know there's US Americans. Here, this is the address, and so I would like to know if someone maybe goes there. I don't know. This is the poster. So
what do you want? Money?
No money. I want to know. I want to know if it works. What's shown there?
You want to report? You want video?
Yeah. I don't know if it's what they claim is you can enhance your efficiency of your car with putting processed hydrogen into the intake of the motor. That's their claim. It's discussed, but there's already things on eBay sold to do this.
What you want again?
Yeah, I want to know if it works. But there's a lot of people of the whole America who come there and show technical devices.
Okay. Okay, I think we understood the put. So if somebody goes to events of that kind, please contact you at which email address or website?
My address is mail at Wellenlänge.
Okay. .com?
No, net.
Net. Okay. Mail at wellninge.net. If you have information about these techniques.